Hi there, this is Jed Carey from Move Digital, and this is a quick tutorial video on how to give feedback on your project. So basically, I'm just going to step you through it. It's pretty straightforward. You would have found an invitation email in your inbox coming from Zoho Projects, which is the software that we use. So just go ahead and come in here and open up that email. You'll get an email like this saying that you've been invited to join the portal, and simply click on the button to join the portal. This screen will pop up, and all you need to do is type in a password of your choice. This is completely confidential. We can't see this password. It's all encrypted. So type in your password and go, I'm done, join the portal. You'll then be taken to this screen, which is basically your project. Now up here, obviously being a demo, I've called it example company, but in your case it will be your company. So there's quite a few things going on here, lots of buttons and different elements. But to keep things simple, the only area that you need to worry about is this part here, the one that is called issues. So just click on issues and you'll see this come up. You can see that there's probably no issues in your project at this point. Issues sounds a bit serious, but basically all issues is just your feedback on what is going on with your particular project and the feedback that you'd like to communicate to us. So basically just click submit issue and you can start with an issue that you might have. So for example, you may say text alignment is wrong. As the title, and then you can add a description if it's necessary. You might say the text does not align with the logo on the home page. Now, you might then find it a little bit hard to describe exactly what's going on here. So, for example, I can just go to this demo site here, and as you can see, the text here is not in line with the logo specifically. So what you can actually do is you can take a screenshot. So, on a Mac, Command-Shift-3, or on a PC, Control Print Screen. So I'm just going to take this screenshot here of the website. That'll save it to my clipboard. Now you can obviously take a screenshot and it will save to your desktop and upload it, but this is where the magic happens. It's really nice. You can just click on this little element here. You can either Control-V to paste it into the project, or you can upload it as well. And then you can actually, over here we've just got some really easy tools, and you can basically draw an arrow like this, for example, and you can type some text on top of the image and say, text does not align with logo, and that just makes it really easy for us to understand what the particular issue is. So you don't always have to use this feature. It's just a really great feature to help both of us understand exactly what's going wrong. And then obviously you just click done. That saves that. Then you'll notice that it comes up with an assigned person. So the person that you are project managing with. So in that case, it's me. I will allocate it to that. And then you can also come down and set a whole bunch of other things if you want to. So the severity of the issue, is it minor, major, critical, showstopper? These are all really important feedback for us because obviously what we're going to do is we're going to work on showstoppers first, then criticals, then majors, then minors. So if you want something worked on in priority of something else, then up the priority of that particular task. And things that are not so important, you can reduce the priority. And then that's really simple. You just add that issue in. And just a moment. Alrighty, so now we have that issue that has been loaded in. As you can see here, it's listed there with its title, who's been assigned to, when it was created, and what its status is. So basically, we just have three statuses. Open is when obviously someone's just opened a ticket and it hasn't been resolved yet. We have working on it, which just means we're working on the issue at the moment. We have to be tested, which means that we're now passing it back to you to be tested. And then obviously, if you're happy with the testing and happy with the resolution of that issue, we will then close that out. So yeah, you can obviously come into any of these whenever you want to. You can just click on that issue, add any more details. You'll see that any feedback we give will also be here in the comments, and we will give you full detail. And the reason we do this is that all the comments, all the information is in one central place, rather than having lots of different emails with lots of different bits of communication. Things regularly get lost. So yeah, so there's no limit on how many issues that you can add. You can just continue to submit issues as you see fit. Yeah, basically that is how to give feedback. And if you have any questions, then yeah, touch base with your project manager. and we'll go from there. Thanks for your time.